10 years on. Wales' largest talent platform. Many success stories. It's the Auditions. We are back!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all you wonderful watchers, the wait is over. Back, better than ever before. Talent Search Cymru has returned.
Who will be crowned our next champion?
Welcome to the brand new and improved series of Talent Search Cymru. Over the past 6 months, we have searched high and low for some of the best upcoming and undiscovered talents here in Wales. And after many, many video calls and auditions, our wonderful mentors have selected their acts. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our first mentor, everybody, it's Kaylee Noakes. Ladies and gentlemen, our second mentor for the evening and of the season, Ryan, get over here, my boy. And now, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you now the recent representative of Talent Search Cymru. Everybody, give it up for Liv. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, action!
She's back with a special guest performance. Talent Search Cymru's youngest champion, Lacey L.B.
And now, the moment you have all been waiting for. Without further ado, let us begin the auditions.
Auditions, take 1.
Here I am. I'm Donna. I am 39 years of age, 40 actually in February, and I am from Morriston in Swansea.
I would describe Donna as one of the funniest people I know, always singing constantly, whether it's in the shower, toilet, anywhere.
I am a bit of a joker. Anybody that knows me and that is close to me will know that I don't take anything serious. I'm always looking for the next laugh or the next prank.
I wanted her to carry on and do this for years and years, and she's always puts herself down when she doesn't need to.
When I had the call back to be told that I was selected for the final 18, to be honest with you, I literally I couldn't believe it, because I honestly thought that, because I'd applied for it months before.
I don't know, I just couldn't, you just weren't expecting that. I'm just like, Hannah, really? Somebody likes my voice, really?
It's going to give me that big confidence boost that I've needed.
This is her time to shine now. She's a fun-loving girl and you're going to love her.
Go Auntie Donna!
You're killing me, baby, with the things you do. You put me in a crowd before we're through. Burning up this town, spending everything I saved. You've been up all night, digging my grave. Every lie you tell, you keep it in. Just another nail on my coffin lids. Someone else is getting all the love you never gave. You've been up all night, digging my grave. So keep on running around, ain't no need to hurry back. 'Cause I'll be gone from here, and you'll be all dressed up in black. 6 feet under, baby, is where I'll be by the time that you're done with me. All these tears are crushed, drowning in a tidal wave. You've been up all night, digging my grave.
Oh wow, well done Donna. It's always hard to be the first person to come out on stage. I'd like to congratulate you first on actually just owning it. Come on guys. You showed plenty of power, you showed lots of sass. You know, you wouldn't have guessed you were nervous during that performance. It was absolutely beautiful. I can imagine you singing like lots of different soul-y numbers like Aretha Franklin and things like that. But other than that, I can say well done, what a cracking audition.
Donna, fair play, what a way to open up the show. It was absolutely phenomenal. You've got an amazing tone to your voice. And I noticed on a lot of the notes as well, you had that growl as well, which I really liked there. It had that little bit of difference. You had amazing confidence as well on stage. You would never tell you're nervous. You had really good stage presence, good eye contact, and you could just tell you had fun with it. So well done. It was a really, really good performance.
Wow, honestly, I am speechless. I don't know the song, and I absolutely love it now after hearing you sing it. I know you were nervous before, and honestly, I don't know why. Please just push that aside, because I promise you, you are so much better than what you think you are. You've got so much power to your voice. It's unbelievable. And although that was amazing, I can't wait to see where you go from there, because you have so much power. And like Ryan was saying, there's so much grit to your voice, and rock songs like Aretha Franklin. Honestly, we've got so much to work with in you, and that was so good, honestly. We're really proud of Sienna.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Felicia, I'm 12 years old and I'm from Vale. I've been singing since I was really little and I can't wait for this opportunity to be in the competition.
She's always been around singing. I've always put music on in the car, around the house. I love music myself, though I can't sing. She's always sung every time she's in the bath. You can hear her all around the house, in her bedroom, every room.
Other than singing, I really like football because I'm a really good defender. When I got the call to find out I was in the final 18, I was surprised but very happy.
My thoughts on Felicia being in Talent Search Cymru is overwhelming. I'm really excited and very proud.
I've never done anything like this before. I'm nervous but I'm really excited to perform.
Me and all the family are very proud of her and we're rooting her all the way.
Talk to her, maybe it did even worse. I kept quiet so I could keep you. And ain't it funny how you and her, the second that we called it quits? And ain't it funny, all the twisted games, all the questions you used to avoid? You betrayed. I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way I hurt you, how you talked to her when we were together, loved you at your worst, but that didn't matter. It took you 2 weeks to go off and date her. Guess you didn't cheat, but you're still a traitor. Bring her around just to shut me down, show her off like she's a new trophy. And I know if you were true, there's no damn way that you could fall in love with somebody that quickly. And ain't it funny how you said you were friends, now it sure as hell don't look like it. Ain't it funny? Remember I brought her up and you told me I was paranoid. You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way I hurt you,
Oh, well done, girl. Obviously, you're in my team, and I come to your rehearsals this week. And for you to come out with the tone you've got, the power you've got, and also learning that song within a week, because you didn't know it all, is fantastic.
Wow, Felicia, I did not expect that kind of voice to come out with something so small, right? Honestly, you have such an amazing tone. When you first started singing, it left me absolutely speechless. It was great. When you grow up and your voice progresses, you were gonna sound even better, which is crazy because you already sound amazing. Only little thing I can give you, honestly now, is just try and loosen up a bit, because you have no reason to be nervous. Have that confidence to go up there, because you can do it. You have done absolutely amazing, so be proud of yourself, okay? Well done, it's great.
Felicia, you blew me away, honestly. That is such a mature song for you to pick, and you nailed it. The emotion come across, it was incredible. I think you were 12 years old. Honestly, what a voice you've got. Stick with Kaylee and keep practicing with Kaylee, because she's got a massive voice like you and she knows how to help you with this. But honestly, that was absolutely incredible. Every single one of us stood up by here, so you should be proud of yourself. Amazing.
Hiya, I'm Calvin. I am 27 and I am from Aberdeen. When I had the phone call from Talent Search Cymru, I was over the moon. I didn't know what to believe. I wanted someone to pinch me and wake me up. I didn't think it was real at first, but at least I can follow my dreams now and do what I enjoy best. I started music and singing from a young age. I've also got a disability called ankylosing spondylitis. It affects my spine and my legs. So people that out there with the condition that I might have, don't let it stop you. I'm not going to let it stop me. I'm hoping this helps me with my confidence and everything else. Like, I've done a couple of gigs in the past, but I think this will push me further. My goal from this is hopefully get out gigging full time.
For all I've been blessed with in this life, there was an emptiness in me. You were the treasure that I longed to find. Without your love I would be lost. Let the world stop turning, let the sun stop burning, let them tell me love's not worth going. by you. By you. You give me tonight and the rest of your life. I wanna have it all with you. I wanna have it all with you.
Well done, Calvin, for getting through that performance. As you could see, you could tell he was pretty nervous during that performance, quite shaky on some parts of it. What I feel is when you look at song choices, you may want to try and make them your own instead of trying to sound dead on like the original. For most of it, I felt he was pretty on pitch. However, when he was really getting into it and feeling it, he would go off a little bit. But I think that's something for you to work on, you know, because if I'm honest with you, when I first started, I was the same as I was getting into the song. Instead of concentrating slightly on the pitch, I was getting so into it and I'd go off as well. But it's something for you to look at and work towards. But other than that, I think as a first audition, you've done really well. So well done, buddy.
Calvin, I want to start off, mate, by saying a massive congratulations for getting up on that stage, because that takes a lot of guts that some people don't have, trust me. And I agree with a lot of things that Kaylee has said. You can see that the nerves there are present. It's something that we can easily work on. We can get you out of that kind of nervous state and bring you out of your shell to be the best Calvin you can be. I love the song choice. I really did. When you told me prior to this about the song choice, I thought, oh, I don't know, I've never heard this song, but it was beautiful. There's lots of emotion in the song, and I felt you did relay that very well. You did relay that very well. And lovely use of your head voice as well, the falsetto. That was really nice at the start. So I want to congratulate you. Well done, bud. It's a really good audition.
That was brilliant. You should really, really proud of yourself. I agree with what the other judges have said. There were a couple of pitching issues, and when we say a couple, we don't mean it was all off pitch, because it really wasn't. They were very minor, pitching issues just on times. But your falsetto, I've got your head voice when you're going high. Lovely, beautiful. You've got beautiful tone, beautiful song choice, and yeah, like the others said, we can see nerves and we can hear some nerves, but it's to be expected on the first audition, you know. So honestly, so much to work with. You've got power, you've got a beautiful tone. Congratulations, you've done really well.
Three, two, one.
Wait, let me practice it one more time. Hi, I'm Sienna, I'm 17 and I'm from Pontyclun. When I found out I was in the Chosen 18, I was super excited. So I've been in this process twice before. I once made it to the final, so who knows where I'll end up this time. So I reapplied for this process because my confidence has grown so much more since last time, and I want to put it to the test.
Sienna don't stop singing in the car, and I'm glad she's here so I can have 5 minutes peace to myself.
Well, I guess that means I'm back.
Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away instead of kneeling in the sun, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is drenched in wine, but you'll be on my mind forever. How to cross the endless sea, I would die in ecstasy, but I'll be a bag of bones driving down the road alone. My heart is drenched in wine. Oh, yeah. You'll be on my mind forever. Something has to make you run. I don't know why I didn't come. Feel as empty as a drum. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come.
Oh, well done, Sienna. What a lovely way to come into this season. You have been here before, so I am expecting more from you this season. I did really enjoy how you changed up a song that really doesn't go anywhere normally, but you changed it up by adding your own little movements in it and taking the key up a little bit in your voice to suit you. I love how you used the mic stand. The mic control was fab. You did really well with that. And I think it was a beautiful audition. Your tone was stunning. And I can't wait to see what you do next. So well done.
Sienna, I agree with Kaylee. What a lovely, lovely first audition from you. You've got a lovely tone. You have some lovely breathy notes in there, which I really enjoyed. Got good mic control as well. You've got good confidence as well. You're standing up there. You're giving plenty of... Even though I know you looked at me a bit funny there, you do have good confidence. Even though you might be nervous, you did portray that you belonged on stage. You gave good eye contact to the crowd and ourselves. Like I said, I think Kaylee mentioned, the only thing I felt is the song didn't really go anywhere. It didn't show off as much of your voice as I would have liked to have seen. But apart from that, it was an absolutely amazing audition, on there.
Sienna, I am so glad you were in my team. Can I just start by saying you look absolutely stunning. Genuinely, you look stunning. And it really matches with the song. The song is so beautiful and soft, and that's exactly how you look. Your tone, you know I am in love with your tone. It is so pure. You've got so much emotion. And like the song, like Ryan and Katie picked up on, it doesn't really go anywhere, but you make it so unique. It sounds like it's your song. And the only thing that I would say is that obviously I've heard you in rehearsals this week. And when those nerves were in there, we were just in a room, I do think it was better. But that was absolutely, it was brilliant. And please don't let me take anything from you with that. It's just the nerves, I could see them a little bit and it threw you off a little bit at times. But we'll work on it and every week you'll keep getting better because your tone is stunning. We've got so much to work with. I'm so excited.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan, 31 years old and I'm from Bridgend. When I made the final 18, I was absolutely shocked, surprised and ecstatic. I almost questioned how have I managed to do this? I started very young writing songs, and as soon as I realised that it's going to be very hard work to be a songwriter or a pop star, I started mixing music. So a lot of my history in music is DJing. I've had the pleasure of doing it in Wales and in London and in Spain. I've done it for clubs in Dubai as well, and that's been the major part of my music, and I've absolutely loved it. But now I want to get into making my own music and producing songs, creating content with other people, as well as push myself on the stage, get singing, build a bit of an atmosphere, and build up my confidence a little bit as well, because it's been a little while since I've been on the stage and not behind the decks. But so ready and so happy to be a part of it.
never, no, never wanted regret like this. Never wanted to get out of my bed like shit. Out of my head, but I'm still signed in. Out of the pen, but you know what, I'm still flying. Into my bed, but I'm still tired. Into my zen, but you know what, I'm still flying. I never, no, I never know, no. I never, though you never know how you're gonna grow. Lest you never show up and show us what you're made of. Oh, you never know how you're gonna grow if you never show up and show us what you're made of. Never wanted to get like this, nah, no. I never wanted to sweat like this, nah. I never wanted regret like this. Never wanted to get out of my bed like shit. Out of my head, but I'm still signed in. Out of the pen, but you know what, I'm still frying. Into my bed, but I'm still tired. Into my zen, but you know what, I'm still flying. I never no, you never know how you're gonna grow if you never show up and show us what you're made of. Oh, you never know how you're gonna grow if you never show up and show us what you're made of. Never wanted to get like this, nah, no. I never wanted to sweat like this, nah, no. I never wanted regret like this. Never wanted to get out of my bed like shh. Nah, no.
Well done, Jonathan. To bring an original to an audition is one of the most, what I feel, difficult things to do. Because obviously you're putting yourself out there, you're putting your lyrics out there, which is one thing that adds a bit of pressure. But you look like you had good ears. You were like, yeah, I'm gonna vibe. I was vibing with him in the corner. I was like, yeah, this is a vibe, this is a jam. It's one of them like really chill R&B kind of rap tracks, and it's like kind of my guilty pleasure really. Like I'm into that kind of chill vibe, but I feel that I wanted to hear a little bit more of you singing because I know you sing as well. So I was like, oh, I was rated. I was sat here and I was like, oh, is he gonna sing today? And but you didn't. I want to hear you singing. I want to hear one of your tracks where you singing. But other than that, I think it was a cracking audition, and I applaud you for bringing an original, so well done.
Like Liddy said to one of the previous performers, I am glad you're on my team, mate. Fair play. I really enjoyed that. I was bopping along. I was hardly written anything down because I was just bopping. I was vibing to it. Your stage presence, you moving about the stage was great. I could see you really getting into the song with your hand movements and all of this. It was really, really good. You've got a lovely tone to your voice and you've got good flow. But like Katie said, I would have liked to have heard a little bit more singing. But for you to come in, I didn't realise that was an original. I would listen to that in my car now. For you to come in with that, right? Honestly now, I want to commend you as well on your writing skills because that was fantastic. You do remind me of a rapper, I don't know if you know him, Black Bear. Yeah. You remind me of Black Bear, mate. And I really enjoyed Black Bear. That was a really, really good audition. You were oozing confidence as well. So well done, mate. I'm proud of you.
I think you are a very clever man. And I'll tell you why. So I think you gave us just enough for that first audition. And you know you've left us wanting a lot more. And I think the fact that it was an original song has left you very vulnerable. And it's quite a difficult situation to put yourself in. And you nailed it. And I honestly did not know it was an original until the end. And I was like, I looked straight at you, Donna, and that was an original, honestly. can't believe it, and I want a copy, please. So if you get through to next week, I'm just so excited to hear what more you can do. You were on point, honestly. That's all I can say. Brilliant, phenomenal.
My name is Rhiannon, I'm 22 and from Aberdeen. When I received the call from Talent Search Cymru to say I was in the final 18, I was absolutely ecstatic. I really didn't expect to be picked, but it was almost like a little confirmation again that I'm actually doing the right thing with my music. I grew up obviously a disabled individual. I was also a carer for my mum who recently passed away. And when she passed, I really didn't know what to do with my life. And so I literally just took my looper out in public and started singing on street corners and making music. And it was the one way to try and find myself again. I want to bring diversity to Talent Search Cymru. I want to be that person that young people or old people are watching at home thinking, wow, if she can do it, I can do it too, because anyone can. For my audition, I'm going to be doing a song that is very close to my heart, and I hope you love it as much as I do. So I hope you enjoy.
Smile, convince the world that I'm doing fine as time goes by, and in my mind your face is all I find. So I'll hold the tears, try not to cry, hide in the bathroom to wipe my eyes. I look in the mirror, I don't know why your face is all I find. It's on my phone, it's on my post, made by friends who left long ago, writing words that they don't know, make it harder for me to let go. But I don't want to let go, I just want to feel okay and not feel the emptiness when somebody says, isn't it your mum's birthday today? Yeah, that's the one. Happy birthday. You don't look a day over 45 or 26 or 38 or whatever pictures they post online. Happy birthday. You don't look a day over 45 or 26 or
Oh, Rhiannon, I absolutely love that you brought an original within tonight. The absolutely beautiful haunting tones in your voice. I think it was one of the things that actually really struck a chord. It takes real skill to compose your own music and to compose it to the sense where you mash all your harmonies together, your voice doing all the different motions. I would commend you for it because this audition you showcased so much. You know, you brought your voice, you brought rapping skills that I didn't really know you had, and I was like, oh, go on, girl. And it was an absolutely beautiful tribute for your mother, and I think I connected so much to it, and it was an absolutely fantastic audition, and I will say it really stood out for me tonight so far, so well done.
Rhiannon, wow. Honestly, listening to that song and hearing that emotion in your voice was stunning. You had that emotion in the song that I could hear, but you did so well to control just how much emotion you let through, and it was the perfect amount to really portray the meaning of that song. And it's so cool as well to see what do they call it? A loop board, is it? To see a loop station. I've never seen somebody use that before, and it's so cool to see, and it's so unique as well. And you really captured me with that song. And one of I think Katie mentioned about the meaning behind the song. And honestly, I gotta commend you because that is no easy task to do at all. You had a good flow and the switch up as well from the singing at the start to then going into the rapping. I was like, whoa, what is this? This is crazy. You had really good flow. You got a lovely tone to your voice as well. And yeah, honestly, and the falsetto note at the end as well. That blew me away. That was absolutely amazing. Wow. That was stunning. So yeah, like I said, to control that emotion as well, that itself is no easy feat. So well done, that was amazing.
Rhiannon, honestly, what you just done up there, not only was it so creative, it was so captivating. And like, we have to remember that this isn't a backing track, everything is your voice, isn't it? It's incredible. And the song, I mean, we were all brought to tears, but it was so beautifully tragic. It was just stunning. I can't wait to see what else you can do. And I put here as well, when you went into that head voice, you done a little riff in falsetto. That was stunning. Stunning. So yeah, it was so moving.
My name is Alexander, I'm 13 years old and I'm from Bridgend. When my mum got the call, I was really excited because I've never done anything like this before.
Alex loves singing from when he's very little. It's always been obviously loved singing, but as he's got older, he's got more and more serious with it. In the last couple of years, he started having singing lessons, and he's always loved musical theatre.
I've had lots of experiences in music, like recording in a studio. I was Michael Hobbs in Alf, and I've also played Bruce in Matilda.
I hope Alex is going to really enjoy the experience and help him to grow his confidence and expand his knowledge and experience in the industry.
Where do you go when you're flying away? Where do you go when they can't make you stay? Over the garden and scraping the tops of the trees. On your way home. What is it like looking down on the beach? Sailing through sky out of everyone's reach. Suddenly free like a leaf playing tag with the breeze. Tucked in the clouds, is there somewhere you won't be alone? And when you get there, is it perfect? And when you get there, is there someone waiting for you? May I hold on to your wings and come to on your way
Yes, yes, Alex, well done. I am so proud of you. When it comes to rehearsals this week, I was like, when we was trying to find songs, we were like, oh, here we go, because it took him about 10 minutes to start speaking to us. So I was like, oh, was he going to bring it across himself on stage? I believe that this is the right song for your audition because you showed off so much of your voice, the sweetness of your voice and the power you've got behind you. I love the song, and you know I'm a total musical theatre buff myself, and I love musical theatre. But I can't wait to see what you're going to bring next because I know you've got a massive range, and I can't wait for these guys to see it because you're going to blow their brains. Well done, Alex.
Alex, what a pleasant performance that was. That was really, really lovely. I feel like you do belong almost in the West End, you know, up on stage performing for those kind of guys. And you've got a lovely, unique tone to your voice as well. You've got a very high-pitched voice, which is so nice to hear. And you've got a high range as well. When you were going up and up, I thought, there's no way you can go higher than that. And then you went even higher again. I thought, wow! And you've got so much control to your voice as well for being so young. So that's a really, really good thing to have, mate. You've got good mic control. The only thing I would say, mate, is try to make a little bit more eye contact with the crowd. Bring them into your performance with you. And just try and shake it off a bit, relax a bit. Because you're a little bit stiff on the stage. Just try and relax, enjoy it, have fun with it, like you're on theatre in the West End. And just, this is me, this is who I am, love me. Because everybody will love you, mate. Well done.
Alex, what a lovely performance. That was stunning. It was beautiful. I had a big smile on my face throughout the whole song. And Ryan was saying, the high notes, honestly, they were commendable. And do you know what I really like about you? You have the sweetest personality, and that goes a long way in this industry. If you're a lovely person, that really shows, and people like that and want to keep watching you. And I really did see that come across, that you have such a sweet and humble personality, and that goes a long way for me. So I really enjoyed your performance. You should be really proud of yourself. And another thing, just really quickly, that I like, I do agree you need to loosen up a little bit. But I like that you had your head held high, your chin was up the whole time, and you were like bit iron through and bringing it. And I love that about you.
You will be found.
Hi, I'm Chelsea, I'm 21 and I'm from Bargoed. When I got the call to say that I was in the final 18, I was excited and couldn't wait to get started.
This is something that Chelsea done from a young age. She's been singing since she was a baby, and her grandfather would be proud of her.
In October 2021, I gave birth to my little boy. He's the reason why I'm doing all of this. I want to show him that anything is possible if you put your mind to it.
We're 100% behind Chelsea, and we're very proud of the lady she's become. She's got a beautiful little boy, and we hope she'll go far in her career.
I'm hoping to gain more confidence out of this and make it my career.
Chelsea, we love you. You can do this.
My soul.
give me your mirror, but don't take your eyes off the road. Holding on won't get us any nearer, 'cause we got a long way to go. Sometimes it's hard to see that some things just won't be. Now we both know that we act so unaware. It just goes to show our love isn't fair. Tomorrow's never promised, only yesterday's a guarantee. And if I'm being honest, yeah, baby, that's the only thing that carries me. Now we're out of time, we gotta find peace of mind and understand that, baby, we never get old. So give me your mirror, but don't take your eyes off the road. Holding on won't get us any nearer, 'cause we got a long way to go. Sometimes it's hard to see that some things just won't be.
You are not hidden. There's never been a moment you were forgotten. You are not hopeless.
Oh, Chelsea, I absolutely loved that. That was, it was so breathtaking to listen to you live. When you had the mic on the stand at first, I thought your control was a bit, but I was so thankful you ripped that mic off that stand because you owned it then from there onwards. So, you know, next time either, you know, kind of learn how to use that mic stand or just take it straight off the stand because you nailed it anyway. You've got such a beautiful, unique tone to your voice. And, when you was doing them runs, it was so smooth and so soulful. And I was like, go on, girl, you know, and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. You give me goosebumps and I felt everything in that song. You put so much emotion and you didn't even seem that nervous. You know, you said earlier, oh, I'm nervous. I was like, nah, you'll be all right. And you didn't show it at all. It was beautiful. I commend you for being the last one tonight because it is harder to wait. So well done, girl. You absolutely smashed it. And I'm so proud of you. What a cracking audition.
Wow, Chelsea, what an audition. And I mean that was sensational. Honestly, you had lovely use of light and shade. And what I mean by that is you had those powerful notes, but then you had those lovely, gentle, soft notes in that you did really, really well. You've got a lovely tone to your voice. You've got good stage presence, moving back and forth, you know, interacting with the crowd while singing. That's a really good thing to have. You were confident, like Kaylee said as well. Those runs you had were so clean and crisp. They were excellent. And you've got good agility to your voice. The only thing I would say, like Kaylee mentioned as well, is your mic control. When you're on those quieter notes, just make sure you put it a little bit closer to your mouth so that we can hear those lovely low notes, okay? But apart from that, honestly, that was sensational. Well done, that was really, really good.
Absolutely smashed it. You know I love your voice. I have said from when I first seen the video, your voice just melts like butter. Honestly, you've got such a soulful tone. Like I can hear you doing some gospel or something like that. And your range. I know there's more to your range than what we've seen there, even though that was stunning. So I'm just so excited to see how you progress through this competition. I absolutely loved it. Again, mic control, just hold it a little bit closer, but we heard it anyway. And I didn't want it to end. The runs were perfect. I didn't hear you go off pitch at all. Loved it. Brilliant. Be really proud of yourself. I'm so proud of you.
Lighting control, all out.
Oh wow, what an audition. Like, guys, what did you think of that?
Fair play, it was good. I didn't expect after the voices to come out of the people, man.
Phenomenal. First auditions, phenomenal. I can't wait to see what the rest bring next week.
Really good. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to come and watch next time at 6 p.m. Until then, stay safe.
Bring on the remaining auditions.
Tune in every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Next week, it's the remaining auditions.
Hi guys, it's Lacey. For more videos like this, subscribe down below.